Hi, and welcome to Skorr. This is a quick tutorial on how to create a new campaign. So step number one, we need to create a user list. For that, what we're going to do is do a quick search. Let's define a keyword here, that's vacations. Search, and then this is our population that has checked for this keyword in the last 90 days, as I did there. Next up, since our campaign here will be focused on Instagram, our next step is to filter this list for Instagram users. So what we're going to do, click filters, go to social network, press Instagram, apply, and there we go. We have people that have interacted with this keyword in the last 90 days. This is our list, and what we're going to do next is save it. We're going to save this list as a new list. We're going to give it a name and choose a cool icon there. Airplane looks good. So next step is to actually go and create a campaign. So we're going to click campaign, create a campaign. Now we're going to define a name. This is the name for our campaign. It makes it clearer for both the agents using the social hub as well as the end users that get notified. And the description. So try and Skorr. Next up, define a timeline. So this is going to be valid for 1 month and the social network. Next up is allow messages. This allows the users to interact with who creates the campaign. In the content side of things, we're going to define a hashtag, make it mandatory, a keyword, social networking 2.0, why not, right? Add an image, add our keyword, make it mandatory, and then the text. Obviously, this goes with what your company wants to do. It just makes it clear for the user what set of instructions they need to follow in order to create a post for your campaign. Start working with brands you love. Now we're going to add it up, and we're done. Next up is target. We're going to choose our list that we have created earlier, so the Instagram vacations list. And to the right hand side, we have information board that gives us more info on the list that we have chosen and what we could expect. All right, keep in mind that these are estimations. Okay, so as far as the number of users, the average score rate, because that changes, as well as the audience, right? Because users increase and decrease in terms of audience. Next up is to define the budget. And here we have marketplace and Skorr pay rate, and as well as setting our own terms. Here we're going to set our own terms, meaning that we are going to set how much we pay per post and also how much is the overall budget for this campaign. All right. Next up, we're going to save our campaign. At this point, our campaign is saved. And what we are going to do then is to filter out our campaign over here and execute our campaign. So we're going to approve it. Here is especially important if you have a multiple agent setup. So if you have a person in your company that is in charge of approving these processes in your marketing department, for example. So please approve my campaign. And well, I'm going to approve it myself. So approve, checkout. This is where we go to our shopping cart, and this is where we can check out our campaign. Upon checking it out, we can set our campaign to be live, and our users will be notified on a mobile app. For more information, please consult our website. If you have any questions, reach out. Cheers.